So that PCV valve, if you go right behind your coolant bottle, all the way to the back of the engine, here's the lower intake manifold. You go behind the triangle bracket, right here is that valve. I've got the two bolts out already, and it will just lift out. Just like that. This is the old one. It came off with two of these Torx bits, number 25. This is the new one. Thankfully it has bolts. It's a good upgrade. When you get it out of the package, you're going to have to install this, and it just presses in right there. You don't want to forget that. In order to get this out, I used a T25 Torx bit. On one of them, I needed to use a short extension in order to gain access to it and be far enough away so that the obstructions weren't a problem. To install it, you're just going to reach back here . You're going to set it in place. Not sure if you can see that. There it is right there. Then you got to reach back here with your fingers and try to get that bolt started. That was the easy bolt. Now you gotta get the bolt that's on the other side. Alright, she's on. Then you've got to reconnect your hose right over this, which I put a little oil on to make it easier to get on. And then that can slide right on there. And it is a tight fit. And this is going to plug into your upper intake manifold. I really think I deserve a thumbs up just for being able to hold the camera and the little ratchet at the same time and getting that on there. This is a little stubby ratchet, 1/4 inch. I'll put a link in the description. It made doing this job, well, basically possible, and definitely a lot easier. So having the right tools, probably more than half the battle.